The Wall Street Journal just came out with a new report that the average retail investor only spends 6 minutes researching before buying stocks. The study was done by 2 NYU professors on hundreds of retail investors. Note that the 6 minutes is on the median investor, so that doesn't mean every single investor was that impulsive. But the 2 NYU professors were quoted saying, "A minority of investors do rather deep dives before trading a stock," Wurgler says, "but a much larger pool of investors spends virtually no time at all researching a stock before buying it." When you dig into the data, it gets even worse. 1% or only 6 seconds of the 6 minutes are spent examining the risk statistics. Only 14% of the 6 minutes are used to analyze the company's earnings, dividends, and fundamentals. A far majority of the time is simply spent just looking at the chart price of recent days. And 73% of that leftover percentage is only looking at the chart price of that day or one day prior. Again, this wasn't a small study. This was hundreds of retail investors. And these professors analyzed over 60,000 hours of internet usage and over 8 million clicks. I gotta say, to be completely honest, this is not that surprising to me. In one of my favorite books, The Millionaire Next Door, it talks extensively about how people spend hours more studying what car they're going to buy than what they're going to do with their savings or investments. In the next video, I'm going to go over all the tools, guides, and books that I've used over the past decade that allowed me to pick out winners like Palantir, Tesla, and Nvidia early. So make sure to follow for more and check out my newsletter. Peace.